Hey there, welcome to this tutorial of the TinyBrander platform, and in particular today we're going to be talking about the third-party stores and what that is, how to set it up and how it works with TinyBrander. So as you can see, we're here in our dashboard, and if we go down on the left hand side you can see a section called third-party stores. Now if I click on that, that's going to open up this section here where we can create new stores using third-party platforms. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, maybe you already have other funnel builders that you're very familiar with that offer different flexibility to the funnel that we offer as a inbuilt solution inside TinyBrander. So if you want to work with ClickFunnels, or if you want to work with Convertri, or if you want to open a more traditional type of store using Shopify or WooCommerce, this is where you would implement that integration. So you could build your entire store on another platform and have it integrate with TinyBrander so that we still handle all of the fulfillment, we will still do the print-on-demand labeling, and we will still ship out on your behalf. So this gives you the ultimate flexibility to be able to have stores both inside of TinyBrander using our native funnel platform and also different stores outside of TinyBrander, but still using our service to integrate for all of the good stuff that we do. Now, in order to do this, you would have to create a store as a third party. So you would just click Create New Store, fill in the store name, so let's just say in this instant, John Test Third Party. And then you select the party that you want to work with. So we work with GrooveCart, GrooveSell, Shopify, WooCommerce, Convertri, ClickFunnels, GoHighLevel, System.io, and ClickBank has just been added to this as well. There is tutorial videos on integrating every single one of these inside the tutorial section, so just search for what you're looking for and you will find a tutorial of how to actually go about integrating these platforms to TinyBrander in great detail, and just follow along with that. So that is really it for this section. As I say, if you want to do a third party, go search for the tutorial on that particular third-party platform, and it will give you an exact walkthrough of what you're looking for. But in the meantime, that will be it for today. If you have any questions or concerns, you can reach us at support@tinybrander.com. All the best. Bye-bye.